All right, guys, this is the all-new 2024 Equinox EV. One of my favorite features are these brand new shaved door handles. So as you walk up to it, these slide out. Brand new, haven't seen that before. And then as you walk away, they'll actually close for you. Just like that. The Equinox, you just click it on the side, opens right up. Level 3 compatible, of course. 319 miles of range in the all-new Equinox EV. This is the RS model, so another fully loaded model for Chevrolet. 21-inch rims on this Equinox. Coming around to the side, it's got the full 360 camera, blind spot monitors, and then like I said, those really cool door handles. Inside, very nice interior. A little bit of red accent since it's the RS model. Back seat, still a ton of room for the kids, the dog, whoever you need, and it still has some of that red accents even in the seat. Looks really awesome. In the back, there is a power tailgate button right there. Lots of room back here. More space down here. Level 2 and level 1 charger included. And then of course a button to close it. It of course has a backup camera with the 360 and rear park assist, so it's gonna beep at you if you get too close. This is another one of the models that does not have a start button. As soon as we got in, it started right up because it sensed that the key was here. You've got one pedal driving in this vehicle, 319 miles of range in this one, heated seats. When it comes to a comfortable car and being affordable, definitely put the all-new Equinox EV on your list. Come see us here at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake.